Are BONOSS wheel spacers safe? Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories installed between the assembly hub and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are safe. BONOSS is always concerned about the safety. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material, modern CNC machine by 0.02 mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better. Meanwhile, the metal wheel studs adhere to ISO standards grade 12.9 and ISO standard grade 10 lug nuts. All of our products have got more than 15 SGS NTOV authority test reports. For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.